Yeah, Mr. J, you can call me Ray. So, it's flash flood warning, so I'm doing what any logical person does in flash flood warning, and I'm trying to position myself for when the rain stops somewhere. Right now, it's coming down pretty good, so if you see this, it means we had some luck later on. It's coming down good now. So, we're gonna gear up anyway and wait for it to pass. I figured the lake's as good a place as any. We'll try to go down in the skinny part where it'll be really deep after this, and you know, I can only float away so far at a lake. So, you know, my demise will be contained. Okay, so here's now, and here's in a few minutes. So that's 6:10. Oh yeah, it's gonna clear up magically. Oh my gosh. It just looks pretty crappy. We might have a little window here for like 25 minutes. We'll see. Hi. Just me and you. Just me and you, goosey goose. How you doing? I gotta remember to bring bread. It's like I'm not gonna say it again. It's so funny. Literally just got my first bite the whole time I've been here, and the rain has just started going down like torrential. Like, I want to keep telling myself, oh, it's gonna get better, it's gonna get better, but I look at the radar and I can tell, like, it ain't. But you know, this is our season, guys. You know, I kind of look at it as like, well, skiing in a blizzard. Wow, this is annoying. It's grass. Got one. Yeah. All right. All right. This is a meow meow. Woohoo! Haven't seen one of him in a while. What's up, buddy? Come here. Don't stab me. It's been a while. Hold up. Come here. Hi, pal. How you doing, friendly friend? I see you. Oh, he's got a big gut too. Big fatty fat. Thanks, friend. All right. A catfish. What do they call them? Bullhead. Okay. Species number 1. And started out with a rare one. That's good. There's mama duck. Oh. That was a fish. Man, he took it right off the bat. That was cool. All right, man. He's hungry. Crappie. Okay, they're all right here. All the fish are right here. So let's just hang out here for a minute and see what we can get. All right, codfish. And I need it. I don't have that many with me. Thank you. Thank you, friend. I knew if we stuck around long enough. Can't give up. All right. We've been all over this lake in the pouring rain and back to this spot right here. Oh, that was strange. Oh yeah, yeah, baby. Oh, that's a good one. All right, we found a bunch of crappie right here. He's strong too. Okay, man. Nice. Thanks, dude. All right. Let's try that again. I'm really casting good with this thing. It's got more of a whip, so if we need more distance, I think like the longer the stick, the more of a cast you get, but then the harder it is to use in like a creek setting. So somebody got it? No. No, somebody got it. Playing games, boys and girls. No, you do that again. Okay. Oh, you know what it was? They took it off, so it's all cockeyed. You can feel it. All right. I'll put this out there. Let it go down a little bit. Although the one didn't have a chance. That makes me wonder if I should be doing more of a fast retrieve right now. What the heck is going on here? Is there a fish on here? I got a fish, I think. Oh no. That would be a leaf. Got one. Oh, I have one? Yeah, I got one. All right. Grabbed it on the way down. Hey, what are you doing all the way out there? I was looking for a meow meow. All right, let's try that again. Just let it sink for crappie later. I got so excited when we got that one catfish. I thought for sure we were gonna get another one like right away. Seems like a catfishy kind of day. He just kind of picked it out of thin air. See if we can do that again. Maybe it's just a matter of putting it in front of him. Well, that was annoying from start to finish, but we had fun anyway. Thanks for coming out with me. And I found out my mom, there's a bass tournament on June 28th up the Poconos, so we're definitely going to try that one. Wouldn't that be cool if we won? And yeah, so I'll see you. I don't know where I'm going to go next, but God bless. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.